Protest is going for the last 30 days, but still the government has not accepted our genuine demands. Actually, there was some talks going on, but there have been no fruitful results. I can tell you I can highlight from the medium that our NHM doctors, paramedics, management staff, they are doing a wonderful job. Even the infant mortality rate, which has now gone down to 23, which is even better than Kerala. It's better than Kerala, it's not a joke. I can tell you, all the states, they are even amazed how this work is going on in the Kashmir region. The primary health sector is such a strong here.
We know that. Whatever
so.